All right. So, part of frequency tables is data. Okay. And I know right now you guys are saying, "Oh, data. What about data? Who cares about data?" But data, every decision most major companies make, many decisions we make here in the classroom, decisions that are made about your education, are all based on data. Okay. So data is the information that is collected so that we can make decisions. And it is super duper important, and it does weigh heavily in a lot of decision making things. So understanding data is super important for you guys. I don't know if I told you guys my daughter will be doing research this summer in Philadelphia. She'll be working with two professors and collecting data and looking to analyze that data. So and she's getting paid lots of money to do that this summer. So it's really important that you guys understand data, especially if you plan on doing any kind of research or if you want to understand any type of information that is given to you. Okay. So, and this is in every field that you end up working in. Okay. Even fast food chains, especially fast food chains, they want to know how many Big Macs they sold on Monday morning between 10 and 2. They keep all that data. All that is data that's collected, and it helps them supply their storerooms, helps them predict future purchases. So there's a lot that can be understood from the data. Okay, so we're going to create a data table of our own. Okay, so you're going to ask 100 students. Everybody circle that 100. 100 students. So your database is going to consist of 100 students that you're going to ask. And this is why you have a week to do it. Okay. You're going to ask students on campus. You must ask them your questions in person during passing period, after school, lunch. And you have to have 2 questions. Okay. Specifically answered, such as green or basketball. And don't ask a yes or no question. It has to be you have a choice, this or this, this or that. Okay? And then provided to use the space for your questions and your tally marks. Okay, so on the back of the sheet, we're going to create our two-way frequency tables. And this part will make more sense after we've had a couple lessons under your belt. Okay? So for the questions, this is what you guys need to understand. Okay, and we're going to come up with some examples. Like I could ask 2 questions. And remember, it has to be not a yes or no answer. It has to be one thing or the other. So my first question is, or could be, do you prefer, and that's a good way to start your questions. Oops, 2 F's, 1 R, not 2 R's, 1 F. Do you prefer orange or black? And your questions should not be mine. Okay? But a good way to start is, do you prefer? Okay? Hint, hint. So take the next 5 or 10 minutes, talk to your people around you, come up with some good questions as to how to solve this. David, can you move up here next to Ryuki so you can be Ryuki's partner today? Dominic, you can talk to Adam and Tyler. All right, so I need you guys to take some time and discuss it. What do you think would be a good way to decide? Okay, it could be anything. What else? Like, let's brainstorm some ideas. What else could it be? Or what? Or like types of meat in tacos? Do you like chicken tacos or beef tacos? What else? A Lamborghini or a Ferrari? Yes, good. Okay. What else? What else could it be? Football teams? What's your favorite football team, Devin? You have a football team? Baseball team? Those Doyers? Those Doyers, right? Basketball team? You don't like sports? Rappers. You like a rapper? What do you like? Come on, give me something you like. What do you like? What do you like? Ice cream? I see you at the ice cream shop. Do you like ice cream? Vanilla, chocolate, Neapolitan. What do you like? Paley, mint and chip? Yeah, I like something. You gotta ask 2 questions. All right, go ahead and talk amongst your partners and come up with your first question. All right, so let me see. What did you decide to do, Grant?
Green or blue, orange, and
Oh,
yellow.
you're only supposed to pick 1 question.
Oh.
I said the first question. Do you see 2 questions here? Just 1. 1 question. You see me having 2 questions written down. Okay, so just your first one. Isaac? Oh, boy. That's going to be a fun one. But it might be a landslide. I don't know.
Oh, I got
Lakers or Fortnite, so you either a gamer or a gamer? Get it? Games, Lakers, basketball. What else? How about you, Matthew? You come up with something? Just 1. Well, you're going to end up 2, but your second one's going to be... Emmanuel, what did you write? I don't know doesn't work. You have to. Do you prefer I don't know or yes? Pink Floyd or Led Zeppelin? What? Okay. That's good. Xbox or PS4. That's good, right? Because if you're a gamer, you're going to have a preference. Excellent. All right. So for the second question, Mr. Grant, for your second question, it should be non-related, okay? Something totally different. So I started out with colors, right? And now I'm going to ask colleges, okay? So do you prefer USC, of course, Fight On, or UCLA? Okay, so I would pick black over orange, and I would go SC over UCLA. So then I can do a tally mark, okay? So down here, when we take that information, you're going to do orange, black, or whatever your 2 choices are. I'm going to create a T-chart. And you're going to do another T-chart over here for USC or UCLA. Okay, so if somebody says oh, this is incorrect. My bad. Okay. So you can do tally marks, and then down here you're going to split these up. Okay, so I'm going to say black USC for me. Okay, so we're going to just do a quick run of the class. So Dominic, orange or black? USC or UCLA? Look, we agree on something. First time in our history, but we finally agree. Adam, what do you prefer, orange or black? USC or UCLA? Go out. Leave. Just kidding. You can stay. Tyler, orange or black? Black? USC or UCLA? Right on. Grant, orange or black? USC or UCLA? Do you see now? Can you get the idea of what we're doing here? Okay, you're still going to have a total for USC and UCLA, but you're going to know how many people that picked orange also picked USC. Okay, so here, how many people that picked black also picked UCLA. Does that make sense? So now I'm going to have you guys go ahead and decide on your second question. and then make up your T-chart here. In fact, you can use the whole page. Just cut it down the middle. This is your first question, and then divide the bottom sections. And all you're going to do, you don't have to take names or anything. You're just going to put little, this is what's called a hash mark. Let me see. Isaac, orange or black? Okay. Okay. Black USC. Again, we agree on something. So look at, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 marks here, right? Isaac makes it 5. So we're going to, when we take our hash marks, that's how we do our hash marks. You have a question?
Yeah. Can I do dad or mom?
Yeah, absolutely. Do you prefer mom over dad? My daughter would say mom, hopefully. Okay? Yes? No. So, right now, this is going to take some time for you to interview 100 students, okay? So, in the next couple of days, collect your data, okay? So, tomorrow, our lesson will consist of information that's going to help you understand these frequency tables, okay? Okay? So first we start by collecting our data, and remember, this is a test grade, okay? So this is an easy A. All you have to do is complete it and get your information correct. That's all you have to do. Yes?
What if you do good on this and you have a D in this class and you have 8 missing assignments?
It's statistical. It depends on how well you do. It depends on if you turn in your missing assignments complete. It all depends. Very subjective. And it depends how far away from a C you are. If you have a D that is a 61%, that's 4%. First percentage points. I don't know. Right? Okay? You guys understand the project? Any questions? Okay? Take the next 5 minutes. Make sure you pick your second question and then create your T-chart table for your hashtags on the bottom.